Imagine a massive tabletop mountain rising straight out of the jungle, surrounded by 400-meter sheer cliffs, looking like it's floating above the clouds. This isn't a fantasy, it's real. And believe it or not, this incredible place inspired the magical Paradise Falls in Pixar's movie, Up. Welcome to Mount Roraima, the floating plateau that's one of Earth's oldest wonders. Mount Roraima is a massive tepui, a tabletop mountain straddling the borders of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana in South America. It towers 2,810 meters high, with a flat summit plateau covering about 31 square kilometers. From below, its vertical cliffs make it look completely isolated, like an island in the sky. Often shrouded in mist, it truly appears to float above the surrounding savanna and rainforest. This isn't your typical mountain formed by colliding plates. Mount Roraima dates back nearly 2 billion years, one of the oldest geological formations on Earth. It started as sandstone layers from ancient seas, hardened over time, then erosion carved away the surroundings, leaving these isolated plateaus standing tall. Because of its isolation, the summit is a lost world, with unique life found nowhere else. Nearly constant rain creates a bizarre landscape of black peat bogs, crystal valleys, and weird rock sculptures. It's home to endemic carnivorous plants like pitcher plants and sundews that trap insects in nutrient-poor soil. Frogs, insects, and even tiny shrubs have evolved separately for millions of years. This isolation inspired Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's The Lost World, and later, Pixar's team even hiked here for Up inspiration. Mount Roraima reminds us how ancient and mysterious our planet still is. A real floating paradise straight out of a movie. Would you trek to the top? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.